Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to create database in Odoo 15. So we already have installed Odoo 15 and configured with PyCharm, and now let's see how we can create our first database in Odoo version 15. So currently you can see I'm accessing Odoo 15 and it's redirected me to the database manager for creating my first database. So the thing that you need to create the database is you should have your master password of Odoo instance in your hand. So currently the Odoo admin password of my Odoo instance is admin123, that you can see in your configuration file, admin123. I'll copy it here and I paste it here. So this is my admin password and you have to specify the database name. So I'll name it as Odoo 15, Odoo 15, and you can give email as admin, and also I'll give set the password as admin itself. So you can see I have entered the master password, database name, email is entered, password is entered, and there is no need to provide phone number, or will be using it for the marketing purpose. You can leave as it is. Then you can choose your preferred language from this selection. So right now I'll be keeping the English US as it is. Then you can choose your country from here. So in order, this country is choose because based on this country the localization packages will be installed in the database. Suppose if you are selecting the country as India, and when you install accounting, the accounting localization with regards to India will be installed in your system. So right now I'll choose my country as India. And if you are doing or testing or creating the database for a testing purpose or to learn Odoo, you can just activate the demo data in the database. Suppose if you are creating the database for the production purpose, don't tick this demo data, because once you tick this it will load demo data to the system, like demo customers, demo partners, demo products, demo accounts, everything. So either you can tick demo data or not based on the purpose of the need. So right now I'll click on demo data and I'll click on create database, and you have to wait for a minute. So it will create a new database with the given name Odoo 15. So you can see it's getting loading, and if you go back to the PyCharm, you can see the different things and process going on here, like which are modules are getting installed, etc. So right now it seems the database has been created, the logs are not getting updated. So if I go here, you can see the database has been successfully installed and we have redirected to the apps page. So we have successfully created the database. So if I log out, you can see you have the logout option here. You can see you can log in again by the password that you have set, admin login, will be redirected to the apps page, and from here you can install your first module. So I'll be installing the invoicing module. So I have clicked on install. So the invoicing module will be installed in the database. And if you go back to the PyCharm, you can see in the log the different things like portal module, SMS module, snail mail, or OTP, like different modules will be getting installed. And finally you can see accounting module is getting installed after all its dependency is installed. And if you go back to here, you can see it's still loading. So we have to wait a few seconds for the modules to get installed in the database so that we can use it. So let's wait until it get installed fully. So if you go here, you can see payment module, payment, you can see L10IN, this is Indian localization module, is getting installed because we have set the country as India. So this is Indian accounting that is getting installed, and it seems the process has been finished. And if I go here, you can see the invoicing module has been successfully installed in the database. So this is how we can create a database and install the module in it. And if you need to install more modules, you can click one by one and install the module and try Odoo. So this is all about how to create a database in Odoo. If you have any doubts, feedbacks or suggestions, don't hesitate to share it with us. Either you can comment directly under this video or you can share it in the email. Our email ID is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us with any time. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.